Anima VTOPIAS kinetic vision for the Ducati Diavel V4. Ftopia design has transformed the already aggressive Ducati Diavel V4 into a radical futuristic machine called Anima. Known for their geometric, avant-garde designs, Ftopia pushed boundaries with this build, merging influences from anime, sci-fi, and video games, notably Wipeout, into a kinetic sculpture of motion and power. Technical highlights include a custom aluminum fuel tank, monocourse engineered parts from fork yokes to rear sets, Brembo GP for AMS brakes with carbon ceramic discs, and an Allens rear shock integrated into a new subframe. The Diavel's traditional curves are replaced by angular carbon fiber fairings layered like origami. Armor, finished in bright purple and accented by intricate CNC machined aluminum and 3D printed nylon. Components: the bike's seat is divided into 7 vibrant sections of Alcantara and neoprene, emphasizing its bold, experimental aesthetic. Ftopia plans to produce only 5 highly customizable units, each reflecting their vision of design as provocative art in motion, a blend of architecture, technology, and pure imagination. Don't miss the next video entitled BMW R12 Cafe Racer Modification.